Hi guys, happy weekend. This is an update to our Koipan construction this 2018, and I'll today we're done digging three holes, three Koipan, and this one is the first Koipan that we have done digging. Next is this one, and then this one. So all in all is three koi pan. We have done digging three koi pan, and also we will get our water in that well. That's our source of water, the well. We have two wells for our source of water. The other one is that well. We get our water. We get our water from there to supply those koi pan in there. The koi pan there is Trapalpan. The two is Trapalpan 1, 2, and the big one is our old Big Ben converted into a koi pan. So this our plan for this for this new koi pan is I place I make a plot in the center of each koi pan, and this plot is for vegetables. We're going to plant vegetables here in the center, in between of each koi pan. We're going to plant veggies. These are the vegetables planning to plant. This is sikwa, and there's a this is a mixed seeds, pichay, pepper, kangkong, radish, and tomatoes, lady's finger, and bitter gourd. So this is these are the vegetables that we're going to plant in between each koi pan and each sides also, because we're going to make use of this soil that we dig out from each koi pan. So we'll just use them as a vegetable plot. So also our filtration system is just very simple. In each koi pan at here each end we're going to dig a hole for our filtration, and we will be going to use the airlift again for lifting the water. So this is the update for now for our koi pan construction 2018. So I'll be updating you from time to time for the development of our project. So don't forget to hit the bell notification button for update of my new videos, and please like, share, and subscribe, and Also, if you have any question, feel free to leave in the comment section. Bye bye.